I just had a guy pass right in front of the window, literally spine. I don't know who he is. I never even saw him, and that's creeped me out a bit, you know. Cause I'm living in like a house, right? But it says it has only one floor and a tiny roof, right? There's a tiny small studio. I don't know who this is. The road is like, this is me, right? This is approximately like this much distance between the wall and the way mirror, and he freaking looked at me weirdly. I'm not safe in my own area. And plus, I just dropped my green screen 2 times before recording, dude. Like, this shit down there fall down 2 times very badly, and my entire table almost fucking cracked, dude. Just because of this. I don't know if this video is gonna be good, but regardless. Hope you liked it, and subscribe, you know. I really appreciate all of you, lads. Let's go.
I love you too.
Yes, love yourself, dude.
Oh, hey guys, if you haven't heard yet, we have released our very first 2 anime figurines.
Yes,
first, you got your boy
but
here,
I'm poor.
SMG4,
I'm not rich person to buy it.
Special skin Lawyer Maggie. She's limited stock and only here for those of you who watch the Losu arc and Watfree 2022. There's only 3 days left to get 15% off, so quickly go get it now at smg4.store.
Even with discount, it's kind of expensive.
Now. Woo!
Let's go. Like, this video itself does not cover the cost of the shipping. Just the shipping. Hey, look, it's a Mario Kart. Cursed one.
Oh, damn!
You got angry then.
Mario!
Hello!
Oh,
no,
fuck.
I'll fix it.
But it's high up, right? It's too high up, dude. That's the thing. It's just too high up, man. No!
I did it!
No.
Well, thank God I have a spare.
Well, shit.
What the SMG4 doing?
Don't know. What a dog doing? What an SMG4 doing?
Just hold this tone and we can all go home. Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Okay, be quiet.
Mamma mia! So long, Toad.
Oh, shoot. It's stable enough, of course.
Oh, keep it still, Toad!
Hey, Stinky!
So this is how I die.
Yep.
Oh!
I can't stand still and not do something.
Oh!
Oh, it's difficult. He just keeps a fucking fly now. Now there's a fly attacking you, dude. Don't move. What the fuck is going on with him?
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name
He just had to do it.
Brown.
Hold it still!
Nope, he won't. Come on, do it, man.
Okie dokie. Easy for me.
But I can do it
You
now,
got
you sure?
Mario thinking now?
That's what is in his head. That's what in his head. Tranquility acquired.
Oi, Mario, hold it still!
You little
Oh, he's gonna regret it. He's gone. Oh, he's gonna fucking kill the toad. Boom, bitch! Get fucked. You got fucked, bitch. Get the hell out of here. Destroyed.
All done.
That's high up, dude, still.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got Mario thinking now?
There you go. Why Mario? Just do it yourself. He just keeps going.
I'm in danger.
Shoot it down.
Spider pig. Spider pig.
Spider Pig. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. the hell? There's Peach there. Toad's gonna get his vengeance, I'm telling you. Fire flowers. Happy Toad.
You gotta do it, man.
You just gotta do it. Fuck the Toad, honestly. Oh shit, Peach came. That's gonna
Hey,
hurt.
what the hell is wrong with you?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck him. Little shit, this Toad, honestly. Well, shoot.
It's no use, Mario.
What now, though?
Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh,
What? Sad.
mamma mia. Mmm.
Hey, stop that! Come here.
Cameraman!
What are you doing? What's going on here?
True Gmod as it is, that's how the animation is born.
Mario, screw the damn light bulb in!
Toad's gonna do some shit. Toad is gonna do some stuff. It's not this one.
What? What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, sono lavato, l'abito.
Just force it in!
Okie dokie.
Holy shit.
I did it! I did it!
Haha, let there be light!
That's worse now.
Oh, poop.
That's the result.
Good evening.
Wow, I hate that.
Who the king bird?
Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Well, that's gonna hurt. Well, shit, they're cool. They're doing it.
It's called we do a little
Luigi time! Luigi's Mansion
I'm a
shit.
superstar. Yo.
Hey!
No, not really.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi. Come toro so reparo.
This giant super light bulb.
O por esto no branglas ko na marami tetro na matoro na so na patapon ko. Potono tunita na tunna na sana to na kanara na sana na sarate no na rapetani tiniti.
Wow,
Oh, okay.
It's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Ah, no.
After all this waiting is finally time for
Super Luigi Mansion.
new Super Luigi Mansion. Well, that's it.
Looks like it's up to us then.
I bet.
Well, shoot. So much of King Boo's for some reason.
Get that mother.
Sucked it, sucked them all. Zuck. Zucky.
Oh yeah.
The king! That's a lot of running.
You want enlargement pills?
Oh shit, it's this guy again. Oh, I don't know what they're gonna happen to them.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, okay.
Hey, it worked today.
Defeated
He's stronger now. Holy shit.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
That pill is strong.
Get in my belly!
Run, Nate! Runny time! The King Boo is actually freaking big, dude. Nope.
That's right. Take that, losers.
Nothing's changing.
Eccolo tutto, è sembrete.
Is something meant to happen?
No, this was meant to work. Come on, you stupid teachers.
Well, that's just bad.
Stand back. I'm warning ya.
Error. Cannot.
That's just so bad for them.
Oh, yeah, mamma mia.
Maybe we could be friends instead? Freedom.
La la la. La la la.
Oh no. What's happening to him?
I told you already. Toad won't work.
Shh. Oh shoot, he's getting angry. That's a strong boy. Yeah, that weirdo was not here anymore. Oh fuck me, that's a strong guy. Nice. He got a good time. Poor Toad.
I did it. I saved the world. Well, that was a load of shit.
It is what it is, man. Anyway, that's what you enjoyed this reaction video. Please leave a like, subscribe, share this video again, tell friends about the channel, and I will see you tomorrow with another video, lads. Awesome. Subscribe. I beg you, subscribe. And become a membership if you want, even more.
Whoa.
Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean.
My name